What's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video here at Cuspide Insurance. My name is Carlos. I'm a licensed agent and owner here at Cuspide, and today we're going to talk about zero deductible plans versus an HDHP, otherwise known as a high deductible health plan. Which one's for you? This is the complete guide. Let's get into it. So let's start off by saying that there are three types of deductibles inside the health insurance marketplace. Number one, you got your $0 deductible. Number two is your normal traditional, so anything above zero and below $1,600. And a high deductible health plan is considered anything above $1,600. So those are the three types. So below here is our article at Cuspide. We titled it How to Get Zero Deductible Health Insurance. So if anyone's wondering how you can get this, is a very detailed article. I'm going to link it in the description and the first thing in the comments. Highly suggest you read it, because this is what we're going to base today's videos on. So let's compare the two, which one is for you. Normally, all of my clients here at Cuspide, 90% of them have a $0 deductible, because I truly believe that it is much better than a high deductible health plan, especially even for, usually people buy high deductible health plan, HDHP, for just in case scenario, because it's a little cheaper. But I don't really recommend that, because chances are, if you have an emergency, and you are going to have an emergency, you're going to end up paying way more than if you just paid a little bit extra for a $0 deductible. So anyways, here's on the screen. Let's compare the two. So with a $0 deductible, you do not need to pay any upfront costs. So a deductible essentially is a fee that you must pay before the health insurance company kicks in and starts to help pay anything at all. So that's why $0 is so good. You will get immediate coverage since you don't need to pay a deductible for a service. So as soon as you get into the doctor's office, you're getting attention instead of having to pay a deductible, $400, $500, whatever that could be. You will pay slightly higher premiums since the plan has no deductibles. Usually it's going to be slightly higher. It's nothing too crazy where you have to choose HDHP. But it is going to be slightly higher for that extra luxury of the $0. And you have a lower financial risk due to the predictable cost of care. So obviously, the only thing you got to worry about are the co-pays after a $0 deductible, because you don't really have any. The co-pays and the out-of-pocket maximum. With a high deductible health plan though, you have high out-of-pocket costs. You have a high financial risk because it's a high deductible. You could be $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. That's a lot of money, and you don't know what could happen. The only two good things about a high deductible health plan is that it allows you to open an HSA account, and it will have lower premiums compared to other plans. But in my opinion, the lower premiums does not make it good enough to buy, in my opinion. So what are the type of deductibles? Obviously, this is what this video is about. And I kind of want to scroll down here to the pros and the cons of $0 deductible health insurance. So why I think you should get a $0 deductible is obviously number one is that you have no deductible. And lots of the time, like it says here, people neglect medical care because they worry about the cost. So usually people don't want to get checked out for something that they have because, they have a deductible, and they kind of don't want to waste that much money for it to not be anything. But with this type of plan, you can go straight to the doctor and sometimes not even pay too much, because your copay for a medical visit could be $5, $10. So this is perfect for those who expect frequent care or have a chronic condition. So if you have anything chronic, or you're going to be visiting the doctor a lot, I highly suggest you spend a little extra on your plan so you can have a good plan. You don't want to have a high deductible health plan and be needing a lot of care, because you're going to spend so much money for no reason. And they obviously are budget-friendly options. The only downside is that the higher premiums, but like I said, it's nothing insane where you have to choose another plan just because the premium difference is so high. It's just not true. So overall, I think I would suggest a $0 deductible plan for everybody watching out there. And if you want to know if you qualify, you could use our premium tax credit calculator, like it says here, which lets you know how much you're going to end up paying. The annual cost for a no deductible plan is around $7,700, but a Cuspide client usually only pays $480 a year. So talking about like $40-ish a month for a zero deductible plan. So that's why you should make the switch. Call the number on the screen, 305-970-8583. We will make sure we get the best plan in the marketplace, compare and choose one that's good for you and your family. Even if you do have one and you want us to look at a better options, because I promise you there is a better option out there, we can do all that. So call the number on the screen, 305-970-8583. I look forward to helping you and your family get the coverage that you need. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I highly suggest you read this article. It's gonna help you get that $0 deductible that you deserve and that you need. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in another video. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.